Hi, I'm Mike Lucido, and I'm going to teach you something about making your own top ramen. That's right. You know, this kind of stuff, and how fast and easy it can be. Well, first of all, you've got to make your own dough. First of all, we'll pour our water into our cup. We'll put it in the microwave. I put it on 3 minutes, and that brings it to a boil. 3 minutes, start. Let's see how fast we can make this stuff. Put a little. Take out a little bit of this. Oh, pinch off a little bit here. Okay. Put it in there. Okay, let's see how fast we can do this. Oh, one other thing you have to have. One other thing you have to have is a rolling pin or something. Well, you don't have to. You can actually just do this. Stretch it out, like this without a rolling pin. But I'm going to use one because I think it's so much easier to use a rolling pin. Okay, a little more. We're down to 1 minute and 42 seconds. Okay, a little more. That's about right. Okay, now put a little bit in there, roll it over, and cut it up. We have our pasta. Isn't that amazing? That's quick, that easy. Okay, and we still have 35 seconds left on the boiling water. Okay, we're still kind of bringing this out so it doesn't stick together. And we can put this away. All right. Remember, this stuff takes about 3 minutes once you've all got it done. So this, it's done. It's actually boiling. We're going to throw it in there now. Okay. A little bit there, a little bit of time. Okay. Throw it in there a little bit here. There you go. Give it a stir. A little more. There we go. Okay. There we go. I'm kind of stirring it in a little bit. And we could add a little bit of Himalayan salt. Okay. A little bit of, just a little bit. And I'm going to throw it back in there. Okay. For 45 seconds more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, there we go. It looks like it's come to another little bit of a boil. And that's looking pretty good. And we're almost done. You put the plate right on top. Like that. Okay. Wait just a few minutes. 3, 4, 5 minutes. You can wait 10 minutes. You can wait 20 minutes if you want. Up there. Unbromated, okay? And that's very important. Potassium bromate is not good for you. You know it's not good for you. You might want to think of making your own pasta. You saw how easy it was to make your noodles. Now let's taste them. I'm telling you, there ain't nothing like it. These are so much better. Until next time, this is Mike in this little kitchen. Talk to you later.